Okay, so today we will discuss about active and passive voice. So if first of all we talk about I, we, you, it, they, or person name, and how will it will converted into objective form in passive voice. I will converted into by me, and we by us, and you by you, it converted as it is, and they is converted by them, and a person is written ये as it is ही रहेगा person name person name. ओके, now नॉन चेंजेबल कौन कौन से है? यू एंड इट एंड अ पर्सन नेम. ओके, let's take about examples. Firstly, simple sentence. Like he eats mangoes. So it is a active voice sentence. When it is converted into passive voice, so object converted into subject, and the subject of active voice converted into object. Like mangoes are eaten by him. What is the format of simple sentence? Like are, is, am, are, and third form. Okay, like for example, he eats mangoes. It is a active voice sentence. Converted into passive voice, mangoes is written as a subject. Mangoes are eaten by him. Okay, now move on to present continuous. Present continuous. Firstly, he is writing an essay. Okay, it is a active voice sentence, and the format of passive voice of present continuous is am, are plus being and third form of verb. Okay, now we will convert into passive voice. Object is an essay. Now it is written as a subject. An essay is being written by him. Okay, like if there is a she, then it is converted into her, and if it is a name like Carrie, so as it is written here, Carrie. Okay, now move on to present perfect. Present perfect format is has, have plus been plus third form. Okay, like he has stolen my phone. It is a present perfect active voice sentence. Now we will change into passive voice of present perfect, like my phone has been stolen by him. Okay, now we will move on to past indefinite. Past indefinite sentence. Okay, like format, what is format? Is, sorry, was, were plus third form. Like John did this work. Okay, it is active voice. Now we will convert into passive voice. This work was done by John. Okay, now we will move on to past continuous. Past continuous. What is the format of past continuous? Was, were, and being plus third form. Like I was writing an essay. It is an active voice sentence. Now we convert into passive voice. An essay was being written by me. So how we converted I into me, and the was writing is converted into was being written. Okay. Now we will move on to past perfect. What is the format of past perfect? Had plus be plus third form of verb. Okay. Like example, I was writing an essay. So it is active voice, active sentence, and passive is an essay was being written by me. Okay. Now we will move on to past perfect. Format: had been plus third form. Like for example of active voice, sorry, my uncle had taught me English. Okay, so I had been taught English by my uncle. Or these have two objects. This sentence have two objects like me and English. It can be written as from me and as it can be written by English, like English had been taught by my uncle to me. Okay, so this sentence can be written by two types, like passive voice 1, passive voice 2. Okay, now we will move on to future simple sentence. Okay. Future simple sentence. Format: is will, shall plus be plus third form of verb, like I will write a letter. So it is a active voice. Now passive voice, a letter will be written by me. Okay, now we will move on to future perfect. Future perfect. Format: will, shall, have plus been plus third form. Okay, now he will have eat food. It is a active voice. Passive voice: food will have been eaten by him. Okay, will have been changed into, sorry, will have changed into will have been. Okay, sorry, he will have eaten food. Now note that, what is note? Present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous and future continuous sentences cannot be changed into passive voice. These sentences cannot be changed into passive voice. Okay, so that is it for today. So thank you students, I hope you enjoy this session. Okay, bye bye.